and welcome back to Plan Your 2019. We're almost done. This is the 9th episode of 10, so we're almost there. What we're going to do today is we're going to make working towards your goal a habit. If we have habits in our life, it's like a well-oiled machine. Things just happen because it's a habit. You're used to doing it that way and it just gets done almost without you thinking about it. So I have 4 ways that you can make working towards your goal a habit. You can get an accountability buddy. Find one in the comments below. If you want an accountability buddy, then just post that in the comments below and hopefully someone will join you and you can keep each other accountable. You can attach it to a habit that you already have established. For example, if you want to put your new under eye cream on every night, do it as soon as you finish brushing your teeth because you brush your teeth every night, and this new habit, you can add that in. Another way is to set alarms on your phone. I love doing this. If I set an alarm for the same time every day to do something, then it becomes a habit and I'm almost doing it before my alarm rings. And the last one is a habit tracker. Habit trackers are so fun. I love coloring in the little squares. You can do habit trackers in a bunch of different ways. I have a video on habit tracking and I'll link that up to you here. I'll also put a link in the description below so you can watch that next. So for today, I want you to pick one of the 4 ways to make something a habit, whether you attach that to another habit, you get an accountability buddy, you use a habit tracker, or you put an alarm on your phone. Pick one of those and then write that in the comments below, and then I want you to set those habits so that you can make the habit out of it. You can say that you're going to do it, but if you don't actually take the steps and establish that habit, then it'll just fall by the wayside. Habits take like a month to be installed, and sometimes for me I'll do something for a month and then I'll sort of let go a bit and I'll lose the habit completely. So make an effort for the month, maybe let's say January, to get that habit to stick. So if you like this, give it a big thumbs up. There's only 1 episode of Plan Your 2019 left. That's coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do that now. Hit that notification bell so that you'll know when the next episode comes up. And I'll be back here tomorrow with another Vlogmas 2018. It's really fun, isn't it? I'm having so much fun. I'm kind of glad that it's over. I can go back to just doing a video once a week and maybe a bonus video once in a while, but it's been a lot of fun. Okay, have a fantastic day and happy planning.